What if I told you, your body glows in the dark, you're actually taller in the morning and you have more bacteria than human cells? Sounds crazy, right? Let's see. Number 1. Your body contains about 37 trillion cells. That's more than the number of stars in our galaxy. Number 2. You're actually taller in the morning. Your spine compresses during the day due to gravity. Number 3. Your brain runs on about 20 watts of power, enough to light a bulb. Number 4. You can't tickle yourself. Your brain predicts the sensation and cancels it out. Number 5. Your nose can remember over 50,000 different scents. Number 6. Your eyes can detect a single photon in perfect darkness. They see approximate 10 million colors, but most people name fewer than 100. Number 7. Taste buds only live for about 10 to 14 days, and then regenerate. Number 8. You produce about 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva every day. Number 9. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 5 days. Number 10. Stronger than steel ounce for ounce in compression only. Number 11. Half of your bones are in your hands and feet. Number 12. Babies have 300 bones at birth, adults have 206. Some fuse. 13. The average person has between 90,000 to 150,000 hairs on their head. Number 14. Kidneys filter 180 liters of fluid daily. Number 15. You are made up of about 60% water. Number 16. But your brain is nearly 75% water. Number 17. Your body has roughly as many bacteria as human cells. Number 18. Your body actually glows, but it's too faint for human eyes to see. Number 19. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. Number 20. Your blood vessels could circle the earth twice if stretched out. Number 21. Your heart can keep beating even outside your body temporarily if oxygenated. Number 22. Intestines are 7.5 meters long if stretched. Number 23. Some parts of your brain are more active during sleep than when you're awake. Number 24. You can't sneeze while sleeping. Number 25. Dreams can last just a few seconds but feel much longer. Number 26. Your skin completely replaces itself every 27 days. Number 27. You shed about 600,000 skin particles every hour. Number 28. Your body produces enough heat in 30 minutes of moderate exercise to bring a cup of cold water about 250 milliliters to a near boiling temperature. Number 29. You blink around 20,000 times a day. Number 30. Fingerprints are unique, but so are your tongue prints. Number 31. Your DNA could stretch to the sun and back 60 times if uncoiled. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.